How to upgrade program. Firstly, let's find the zip package we send you. Release this zip package. Double-click and open the folder. Find update file and open it. Check it if you can find mcontrol file here. If yes, you can back update file. Please copy it to the U disk. Then checking. We must ensure the order of the files, U disk to update to mcontrol. If the order is U disk to a folder to update to mcontrol, it's wrong way. You can't read the files from the U disk. Please save the files before we open the machine. Next, insert the U disk into the operation panel. Click Menu. Click Function. Find Version and click it, then check what is the software version mode. And exit the interface. Click Update. Input password, DAHAOSEW. Click Next page. Select Main Program and confirm. Let's waiting for reading files. We need to reset the machine after the reading files finished. Then we enter into the software version to check the version mode if changed. If the version mode is changed, it means the software upgrade successful.